Welcome. Thanks for tuning in. This is my way of saying thank you to you for keeping our communities going. Taking some time for yourself to reconnect to you, even if just for these short few minutes that you're here, is going to help you better serve the community, and in return, our community benefits greatly from you. And so this is my way to say thank you, and I appreciate you for tuning in and being able to do this for yourself. So this one is going to be starting standing. You don't need a lot of space. This could be on a break time. This could be short and quick. Anywhere you go for a little walk, and you just do these different little stretches for yourself, getting into your whole body, just giving yourself a good little break. So stand firmly in your feet. You're welcome to close your eyes or keep them open, and then exhale fully. Take a full inhale into the belly, into the chest, all the way up to the collarbones, and then open the mouth and sigh it out. Again, inhale, draw in through the belly, ribs, chest, and let it go. Again, inhaling. Maybe if you're by yourself, maybe even make an audible sound. 2 more times. Inhale. Let go. 1 time. Fill yourself up with air. And then just let go of anything you don't need to hold on to. Just take a moment, let your breathing come back to normal. And sometimes that's just enough to get you going and keep you moving through your day. We're going to add on here, adding in some movements. As you inhale, open your eyes, take your arms up. As you exhale, lean to the left, take that right arm over. Inhale, reach up. Exhale to the right. Inhale, lift. Exhale to the left again. Inhale, up. Exhale, go over to the right. This time we're going to hold. Inhale, reach up. Grab onto that right wrist. And as you exhale, lean over. So find some traction, drawing some length from your wrist to your armpit, from your armpit to your hip. If you'd like to go a little bit deeper, you're going to take your right leg and cross it behind your left, and then bend into that left knee and lean. Take an inhale. Exhale. Inhale, brings those arms back up, uncross the legs if they're there. And then exhale, grab onto that left wrist. Big inhale, lengthen through the side waist. And then exhale, lean it over to the right. Finding some length from wrist to armpit, from armpit to hip. And if you'd like to go a little bit deeper, that left foot's going to step behind your right. Bend into that right knee and lean a little bit deeper. So maybe you're feeling it down into your hip, toward your knee. Big inhale there. Exhale. Inhale, takes those arms back up. Exhale, uncross the legs and bring the arms down. Little shoulder circles. Inhale, roll the shoulders up, and exhale, down and back. Inhale, up. Exhale, down and back. 1 more time here. Inhale, up, and exhale, down and back. Opposite direction. Inhale, brings them up. Exhale, down and forward, rounding through the back. Inhale, up. Exhale, forward. 1 more time. Inhale, up, and exhale, forward. Good. Inhale, come to neutral. Lift the chest. Bring the hands behind the back. Interlink them or press into your low back or hips, and open the chest. Bend into the knees. Draw those elbows closer together. Take another full inhale here. And exhale. Inhale, go and release those hands. And exhale. As you inhale, drop your chin to your chest. Exhale, roll your head towards your right shoulder. Inhale, chin to chest. Exhale to the left. Inhale, chin to chest. Exhale to the right. We have a lot of tension in the shoulders. Inhale, down. Exhale, left. 1 more time. Inhale, down. Exhale to the right, pause. If it feels okay for your neck, you can just stay like this, or if you want to add in a little bit, maybe inhale, turn the chin to the ceiling, and then exhale, draw the chin toward the ground. Inhale lifts it up. So just different areas in the neck that hold tension here. Exhale down. One more time. Inhale, lift. And exhale down. Inhale, chin to chest. Exhale over to the left. And again, you can always pause here, or you can start to look up and look down with your breath, nice and slow. No need to rush it. Enjoy the sensations. Maybe if you notice somewhere that's tighter, hold there for a couple breaths. One more time. Inhale, looks up. And exhale down. Inhale, chin to chest. And exhale, lifts the chin. Good. Inhale, reach those arms up. And exhale down. Good. This next one, if you have a tree nearby, a bench, a chair, a wall, any of that will do. I have a chair here. You can also use the wall. You're going to place your hands kind of about hip height and then walk those hands back. Kind of like you're going to do a downward facing dog, but you're either pressing into the wall or pressing into a couch, a chair, a bench, whatever it might be. And then send those hips back. Press down into the whatever you're pushing on or push into, and then send those hips back as your heart drops forward. Let the chest drop toward the ground. Press into the legs, maybe bend into the right knee, and then bend into the left knee. Maybe relax the head completely. See how that feels. Maybe bend into both knees and then straighten both legs. And just notice the sensations. Do what feels good. Keep pressing in, getting some opening through the front body, getting some release through the shoulders. Take another breath there. And exhale. As you inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, step your right foot forward. So your left foot's back. You can keep your back heel on the ground. And then just going to bend slightly into that right knee. You'll find a nice little stretch on that left hip. Roll the shoulders back. Good. And maybe you just take your hands and grab opposite wrists behind you to open the chest. Keep bending into that front knee so you feel that stretch on the left hip. Good. Take one more full inhale here. Exhale. Inhale brings those hands back to the wall, bench, or chair. And step it back, coming into that downward dog. Maybe make the feet a little bit wider. And then rock the hips from side to side. And again, when you feel somewhere tight, maybe pause there. Maybe feel it into the side waist. Just really tapping into your body, tuning into it. Exhale fully here. Inhale, lifts the chest. Exhale, steps that left foot forward. Right foot stays down. Hands can come to the hips and just start to bend into that left knee. Good. Roll the shoulders back. And then maybe you take your hands, you grab opposite elbows if that's accessible to you. Good. If it feels even more accessible to you, you can interlink hands behind your back and draw those elbows together and lengthen the hands back behind you. So that's going to be a deeper chest stretch. You're still feeling that hip stretch here. Exhale fully. Inhale, release the hands. Exhale, bring those hands back to the chair, bench, or wall. Step it back one more time. Lengthen out. Maybe even press down so much into the chair or the wall that you can send your hips back more. And then lengthen the top of your head toward the chair. Exhale fully. Inhale, lifts the chest. Exhale, walks those feet forward till you come all the way up to standing. And just pause here for a moment. Good. Last thing, you might need the chair or the wall for balance. Just a couple ankle circles. So roll your ankle to the right, to the left, and then forward. So step it slightly back so that you can bring that foot forward and really stretch out the front of the foot. There's a lot of tension we hold in our feet, especially if you're on your feet a lot each day. And then release that. Other side, roll it out to the left and to the right, stopping where you need to, and then stepping that foot back slightly so you can roll forward, opening the front of the foot. Good. And then slowly bring that back up, coming up onto those tiptoes. And then see if you can come back onto your heels. Up on the tiptoes, back on the heels. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Good. Pausing there. Take those legs a little bit wider. Just kind of rock the hips from side to side. And then hands can be free if you have lots of space around you. Just start to twist a little bit. Inhale to one side, exhale to the other. Let those arms be free. Just kind of freeing up any tension in the neck and shoulders here. Allowing those arms to be heavy. And then once you get to the right side, pause. Good. Lift the chest, roll the shoulders back. Big inhale here. And as you exhale over to the left. Good. Pause there. Inhale, lift. And exhale. Bring yourself back to center. Bring those feet back to hip distance. Ground down into those feet. Close the eyes for a moment. Taking a big inhale here. Sigh it out. Taking a moment. Think of one thing in your life that you truly are grateful for. Bring that image into your mind's eye. Allow your lips to curl up into a smile as you open your eyes. Thank you so much for all you do. I truly appreciate it. Namaste.